Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sort PDF pages. Are you ready? So let's get started. I have a PDF file as you can see here. So I'm going to show you how to sort PDF pages for free. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first you should install this software which is called PDF24 toolbox. So I have already installed this software. Once you open the software, you should have different options. As you can see, you can compress PDF, merge PDF, unlock PDF. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how to sort PDF pages. So click this option, choose your PDF file. As you can see, your PDF file has different pages. Here you can select the sorting method from back to front. Now it is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want from back, it will be like that. 11, 10, 9, 9. So if you don't want like that, if you want to do it manually, you can click no sorting, and from down here you can drag and drop the pages where you want. As you can see, page number 8 is now here. If you want to put this page 11 in the beginning, as you can see, like that. So you can also sort manually. Once you're finished, just click on create sorted. Here you should change the name, for example, sorted PDF file, and click save. And now here you can click on save. So change the name or just click save. That's how you can sort PDF pages for free. That's it guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.